Hello KG1. Welcome to our English lesson. Today we are going to take a new letter and its sound. The new letter for today is letter H. Letter H. And its sound is its sound is The action for the sound is to pretend that we are panting and say as if we are running and we want to take our breath. Let's read the story. It's the school summer fun day. Some children are in the hopping race. It's a hot day, and by the time they have finished, the children are huffing and puffing, saying, Let's sing this song together. Come on.
I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down.
And now let's know how to write sound. We start from the big dot, we go down, touch the lower line, then I go up again on the same line, okay, without taking off my hand. Then I turn to the right with the curvy line going down, then I make a short tail, and then I take off my hand. Now let's know some words which start with sound. We say happy, happy. Heart, heart. Hop, hop. Hop is to jump with only one leg. Come on, can you hop with me? Let's hop together. Horse, horse. Hippo, hippo. Hen, hen. Come on, can you read this word? Let's read this word. What's the sound? And then we have and then Let's read it together. Hen, hen. Head, head. And also we have hair, hair. Hand, hand. Honey, honey. House, house. Hats, hats. Come on, let's try to read this word. This is sound. A, ha, t, t, t. Hat, s. So it will be hats, hats. Oh, we have so many different hats. Which one do you like? Helicopter, helicopter. And now let's revise on all the words. Happy, happy. Heart, heart. Hop, hop. Horse, horse. Hippo, hippo. Hen, hen. Head, head. Hand, hand. honey. H, honey. H, house. H, house. H, hats. H, hats. H, helicopter. H, helicopter. H, hooray. H, hooray. Can you shout hooray? Come on, let's shout hooray. Hooray! Thank you so much, KG1.